Hare Krishna. Today, 21st of May 2020, we'll be reciting Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 5 text, under the pretext of Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, by the incomparable Srila Prabhupada, mercy of Vaishnavajan, and with the help of you all, let us try to understand what is there in the 10th sloka of this Srimad Bhagavatam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye Nashtaprayeshu Vadrishu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavate Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtaki Sri Chaitanya Mano Vaishnavastapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakata Mayam Dadati Supadantikam Bandeham Sri Guru Shuddhapadkamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhuitam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितां च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपति गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरो वैश्य कृपा सिन्धुभये वच पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Canto 3, Chapter 5, entitled Vidura asked the question to Maitreya. Text today. Paravareshaam Bhagavan Vartani श्रुतानि मे व्यासं मुखादभीक्षणम् आत्रिप्पनुं क्षुलसुखावहानां तेषा कृते कृष्णकथामृतं तौधा. Synonym: Para, higher, Avaresham, of these lower, Bhagavan, of the Lord, O Great One, Vratani, occupation, Shrutani, heard, me, by me, Vyasa, Mukhat, from the mouth, Avikshanam, repeatedly, Atrippanuma, I am satisfied, Chula, little, Sukha avahanam, that which causes happiness. Tesham, out of that. Rite, without. Krishna Katha talks about the personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. Amrita Oghat, from the nectar. Translation purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. O Lord, I have repeatedly heard about these higher and lower status of the human society from the mouth of Vyasadeva, and I am quite satiated with all these lesser subject matters and their happinesses. They have not satisfied me with the nectar of the topic about Krishna. I think I have already sung Mangalacharan. So it says, Vidura, with a humble and excited mind, he's revealing his feelings that, my dear Maitreya, actually, I have heard all these higher and lower status of human society from Vyasadeva. So Vyasadeva is the compiler of Vedas, Puranas, Samhitas and Ityasas. But the same great Veda Vyasa, the Kaurava respected him but never took to his advice. Every one of them, they respected Veda Vyasa, Badarayana, but they never took the suggestion. So this is what happens when we are determined to do something. We don't listen to good advice. Because we have already calculated with our mind the pros and cons, and we're very sure I'll come out a winner. Because I have a good plan. And he says, from these topics, I'm satiated. But you know what are these? Lesser subject matter and their happinesses. The happiness derived from the sensual object or sense pleasure, the pleasure is there, but not eternal pleasure. Anshika, Chanika, Alpa, Swalpa, very little. And after we are satisfied, satiated with that, again we go for the same thing again. Duspurena anilenacha. The more we try to satisfy our senses, the more they want. So there is a pravritti marga and there is a nivritti marga. Pravritti marga means, let me try it out myself and then make the judgment whether it's good or bad. I have to try it myself. So many of you may have a fantastic television at home, but you may not be watching because you are satisfied. The news, the headline you hear 7 o'clock in the morning, the same headline goes up to 7 o'clock in the evening with a little bit words here and word there. But those who don't have the television, they would be dreaming, right? Oh God, please help me to buy a 18-inch television, color television. So it's on a pravritti marga. Let me try it out myself, then let me judge it to myself whether I need it, I don't. But Vidura is saying that happiness is very lesser subject matter, very less. They have not satisfied me with the nectar of the topics of Krishna, about Krishna. So he's looking for Krishna Katha. That only can satisfy one. The soul will only get satisfied Saranavatam Swakatha Krishna. Yaha na Saranavanti na Pathanti na Gayanti Srimad Bhagavatam Esham Satyaha Shatyah Tesham Swami Sada Yamaha na Saranavanti na Gayanti न पठन्ति श्रीमद् भागवतम् एषा सत्यः तेषां स्वामी सदा यमः. The Lord does not force anybody. He has opened it to all. And therefore, precisely, he wants to know Hari Katha. Because for Uddhava, he just heard in general, he wanted to hear deep into it. He had to dive into it and take out the pearls out of it. And the more deeper you go, the better pearls you get. And that's what the devotee is always looking for. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Prabhupada's purport, he says, because people are very much interested in hearing social and historical presentation. Our senses are developed to hear Gatha, Gram Katha. So we take interest into it. Srila Vyasadeva has compiled many books such as Puranas and Mahabharata. These books are reading matter for the mass of people, and they were compiled with a view of reviving their God consciousness, now forgotten in the conditional life of material existence. The real purpose of such literature is not so much to present topics of historical references, but to revive the people's sense of God consciousness. In Sanatana Dharma, we have been taught to tolerate. Every now and then we have to tolerate, we have to tolerate, we have to tolerate. And it has been misrepresented. We have to tolerate for of the self. But for the society, we have to get up. We have to follow Lord Sri Krishna. Wherever there is adharma, whether within the family, within the society, within the country, we have to just get up. Think for a situation when Krishna is saying Advaita Sarva Bhutana Maitra Karuna Vacha. And then you were told Arjuna, it's okay, leave Duryodhana, leave Kaurava, Advaita Sarva Bhutana, it's alright. Forget about this. It is in their bhagya, you don't worry about it. Arjuna would have been really happy. Pandava would have been really happy. Yes, Krishna is right. Why should we kill our own kinsmen? But no, to establish dharma, Lord Krishna says, not a particular race, but a particular mentality, they have to be curbed. They have to be taught. We have to tell our children, if anybody insults you or your God, raise your voice. Show them their anger. That bugger, if I don't say anything about you, who you want to say about me anything? Remain within your skin. But we have taken, no, it's all right. Gandhiji said if somebody slaps you at the one cheek, give another cheek. Well, that's not the message of Bhagavad Gita. The message is Bhagavad Gita to establish dharma. And more than that, to execute dharma. So this topic purpose is not for historical references, but to revive the people's sense of God consciousness. For example, Mahabharata is the history of the Battle of Kurukshetra, and common people read it because it is full of topics regarding the social, political, economic problem of the human society. But factually, the most important part of Mahabharata is Bhagavad Gita, which is automatically taught to readers along with the historical narrations of the Battle of Kurukshetra. And in our India, in our constitution, the Dhara or the laws 30A, it says minorities have the right to teach their social books in the school and college. But Hindus are refrained. Hindus cannot do that. You cannot teach Bhagavad Gita, you cannot teach Bhagavatam. And that's the reason, even I came to know by my goodwill at the age of 30 that what is Gita, what is Bhagavatam, how to follow dharma, how to be dharmic, how to be religiosity. So look at our Constitution 30A, you have no right. So Bhagavad Gita is not only Advaita Sarva Bhutana, but even teach the lesson. Sometime out of love, sometime with anger. If you are behaving on behalf of Krishna, dharma rakshati dharmaha, dharma rakshati. So sometime we are misquoted. The purpose is, it is to introduce Bhagavad Gita, the moral. Moral is not only to be humble, but if somebody is riding on our shoulder, is spitting on our face, well, you have to raise your voice. There is the story of Narada, if I find time I'll tell you. Furthermore, Vidura explained to Maitreya his position of being fully satiated with the knowledge of mundane social and political topics and having no more interest in them. he was anxious to hear transcendental topics regarding Lord Sri Krishna because there were insufficient topics directly concerning Krishna in Puranas and Mahabharata. Very little. He was not satisfied and wanted to know more about Krishna Katha. Our topics regarding Krishna are transcendental and there is no satiation in hearing such topics. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nandagopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namah. और कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणतः क्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः. Passage Bhagavad Gita is important on account of its being Krishna Katha or speeches delivered by Lord Krishna. The story of the battle of Kurukshetra may be interesting for the masses of the people, but to a person like Vidura, who is highly advanced in devotional service, only Krishna Katha and that which is to be told with Krishna Katha is only interesting. Ekaha nisakantako pantha yatra sampujate harihi upantham tam vijaniyam govinda rahitam kama. What is the use of that path where you can't find Krishna or Krishna Katha or the Vaishnavas or the temple or the place of pilgrimage? Why to go there? Vidura wanted to hear of everything from Maitreya because Maitreya was revealed, and because since he is a Muni, he is a Jnani and got the direct instruction from Krishna, so he knows much more. And so he inquired from him, but he desired that all the topics be in relationship with Krishna, as fire is never satisfied in its consumption of the firewood. So a pure devotee of the Lord never hears enough about Krishna. Historical events and other narrations concerning social and political incidents all become transcendental as soon as they are in relationship with Krishna. That is the way to transform mundane things into spiritual identity. The whole world can be transformed into Vaikuntha if all worldly activities are to be told with Krishna Katha. Saranavanti Gayanti Krishna Katha. Vasudeve Bhagavad Bhakti Bhakti Yoga Prayojitah Janyatyasu Vairagyam Jnanam Chaudhaitukam. By hearing Vasudeva Katha, Janyatyasu Vairagyam, the Vairagya develops. And what is Vairagya? Anything that does not bring us closer to Krishna, we develop Vairagya from that particular thing. Anything. Therefore, Vairagya Vidya Nij Bhakti Rupa. Even somebody develop the Vairagya Vidya, that is also a Bhakti. That is also a Bhakti. So, Vasudeve Bhagavad Bhakti Bhakti Yoga Prayojata. If somebody is chanting the holy name of Vasudeva, he develops Bhakti. And then that Jnanam and Vairagyam develops automatically. No more endeavor required. Krishna residing within the heart. Vashwati. Deepaha Vashwati Krishna Kaha. Tesam eva nukampartham aham agnanajam tamaha. Nasyami atma bhavastu jnana deepena bhashwata. The knowledge of the lamp will be lit by Krishna and fuel supplied by Krishna. You see, you simply have to have a desire. Furthermore, there are two important Krishna Katha current in the world, Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. These are the only two scriptures in the whole society, we say Srimad Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavad Katha. You would have never ever heard the name Sri Quran, Sri Bible, or so many other, you cannot put the Sri. Or Bharat Mata, right? Can you say Pakistan Mata? Or Nepal Mata? Or America Mata? Or England Mata? It doesn't fit at all. Why? Because they don't consider the land as a Mata, a mother. And since we consider, we call it Bharat Mata. The word itself has a meaning. So Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Prabhupada says they are current available, and Srimad Bhagavata. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a Krishna Katha because it is spoken by Krishna, whereas Srimad Bhagavatam is Krishna Katha because it narrates about Krishna. Lord Chaitanya advised all his disciples to preach Krishna Katha all over the world without discrimination, because the transcendental value of Krishna Katha can purify one and all from the material contamination. You know, the Western devotees, be in Italy or Antigua or Moscow or Leningrad or New York or you name it, Hawaii or Japan or Hong Kong or China or Fiji, the devotees are doing Sankirtan. Nama Sankirtan, street Sankirtan. And whenever the people are hearing, they may not understand what they are doing, but every one of them, they stand to try to find out what are they saying and why are they laughing and why are they jumping. Why are they jumping? So every part of the world, they are following the instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to preach Krishna Katha. Because sometimes the philosophy may not be understandable by the people of other faith. But Sangita, everybody understands. Because you know what? It touches the heart. It touches the wires of the heart. Ting, 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 ting. And they stand. Bhakti Bringa Govind Maharaj is the product of listening Harinam Kirtan. First time in his life, and he started following them. Just by hearing. So Saranavatam so Katha Krishna. This Sankirtan is also Katha. And literally reading Srimad Bhagavatam is also Katha. So everyone is advised, provided if you all want to be happy. Only if you want to be happy, opportunities are given. They come without planning, and the devotees, they take advantages of such situation. So Uddhava had said, Paravaresham Bhagavan Vrtani Shrutyani me vyasam mukhadavikshanam Atripanunam kshulakhusha vahanam Tesa krite Krishna katha mritam odhat. Odhat means inviting, requesting. Please, 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 tell me about Krishna katha. And whenever we meet, we should also request everybody, let us have Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha, positive, even negative, is Krishna Katha. Snehat, Bhayad, Vaishyat. Krishna Katha is Krishna Katha. That elevates one consciousness for sure. So when opportune time comes, wherever you go, whomever you meet, you just put a question. Yeah, do you know anything about Krishna? And then tell him, can you tell me some story? What it is all about? Now you can hear from them. Even if they are telling wrong, but since they are taking the name of Krishna, that is fantastic. And that way, you can engage them. But if you tell me, sit down, I'll tell you Krishna Katha, they may say, Arey Baba, I have so much what to do. What are you talking? But you will tell them, you give them honor, you give them respect. You tell me, I want to know. They'll be happy to tell. Whatever they know, whatever little they know. So this is the way to engage. But if you tell somebody, see, I'm foreign returned. Okay, sit down properly. Because I'm going to tell you Krishna Katha. Nobody will sit down. So preaching is an art. And the art is honor everybody. To ask them about Krishna Katha. The purpose of life. Why good things are happening to the bad people and bad things are happening to the good people. What is all about? Who has created this disease? Why sometime I didn't do anything, I was insulted in the public. Engage people. I tell you. You hear them. And tell them, oh, you're right, But I heard like this. Do you think it's right? You know, to engage them. Do you think it's right? And this way, you will also enjoy hearing Krishna Katha, doing Krishna Katha. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be with you. Hare Krishna.